Hey, I'm Charting Man Dan. If you like this video, I encourage you to check out our website, TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis, learning, and education, where we broadcast live market coverage every morning, provide live chart consultation, and point out key levels on your favorite plays in our community chat room. Why not check out our free trial and join the best technical analysis community online? Alright, so looking at VRX on the daily and weekly, and then I'm going to cut and look at the 5-minute chart to get a summary of pretty much the last 2 days, because it's very interesting, shows a lot of manipulation, and shows some multimillionaires making millions of dollars while regular Joe trader gets screwed, or hopefully tags along and rides the coattails for some profit, but I'll point that out in a minute. So here on the daily chart, yet another rejection from the 10-day moving average. That makes 4 in the last 5 days. Very strong resistance, 29.06 currently. Bulls certainly bought the dip. We still have that 25.75 as a key level, but until we're able to get above the 10-day moving average, there's not going to be much of a bounce at all. Weekly time frame, you can see that support being established, but lower highs here, and need to see a clear break and some clear upside above $30. So this is a bullish reversal candlestick, this doji of indecision. We had a bullish reversal candlestick 2 weeks ago that was not confirmed, so we'll see if next week can confirm this potential reversal candlestick, and I say potential because there's 3 trading days left, so anything could happen. But now let's look at the 5-minute chart and go over what has been playing out. So at the end of the day yesterday, and if you caught the video that I put out yesterday, I highlighted how there was some fishy activity going on. We saw a 600% increase in volume in this candlestick in the last 10 minutes of the day. We saw huge amounts of money, bearish attack, knocking out the 52-week low of 25.75, which at that point in time was a triple bottom. So you know that there's a lot of stop losses by traders like you and me, putting their stop losses below that 52-week low. So here they are smashing through it, triggering a whole bunch of stop losses, and then loading the dip. The fishy part to me wasn't this bearish attack, it was the recovery in a couple of minutes as if nothing had ever happened. Yet we have many millions of dollars trading hands here. We're talking almost $100 million in 10 minutes. So this is multimillionaires, hedge funds, whoever it is, smashing the price, knocking out average traders' stop losses, loading up, and then as we hit the next day, today, the pre-market session, in pre-market trading, money goes a lot further than it does during regular trading. And what I mean is there's a lot less in terms of market makers, bid and asks. And so this explosion to the upside, we saw a move from 25.35 up to 31. So we're talking a $6 move, 550 in a 30-minute time span, and the volume compared to the volume in a regular trading day, not significant, but because it was pre-market and coming out of nowhere, drove the price way up, and then profit taking for the next hour. So without a doubt, what you have is hedge funds, millionaires, whoever it may be, loading up yesterday, triggering stop losses, artificially smashing up the price here pre-market, and then taking profit in the first moments of the trading day. So that is the way the stock market works. If you have money, it's a lot easier to make money than if you are struggling to get by with your retirement fund or whatever it may be. So from here, we had a double top. We had 29.18 as a key resistance. Bulls made a very valiant attempt to break that level. And right when we hit 29.18, we got to 29.19. We saw a ton of bearish asks stacked. We saw shorts attack, and we saw them stuff that price right back down. So that's a double top, 29.18, 29.19. And that was to ensure that we did not close above the 10-day moving average resistance. So this 2 days is the clearest manipulation that I've seen in quite some time, especially on a big board stock. I come from the penny stock world where this is commonplace, but not so much and not so clear as we are currently seeing it. And that is a prime example of why markets are rigged for the wealthy, and we're just along for the ride. So TheChartGuys.com is the website. Free trial, no credit card required. We would love to welcome you to the community. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you check out that VRX video I put out yesterday if you are curious how I interpreted this before we saw any bullish reaction. And thanks for watching.